Yo, I'm in Columbia, Missouri, and the end of last week, I got my, or I guess beginning of this week, I got my Super 73 10-speed kit. Uh, so we have a lot of bikes, lots of bikes, and so there's a certain moment where you either go broke or you learn how to be a mechanic. Not hard. There's some tools you need. I'll be the first to say that it's a lot of tools, and if you don't have them just sitting in a drawer because you've done it on all of your bikes already, it's probably the smartest thing to do would be take your Super 73 to a mechanic shop because they have the drawer with everything in it. I have the drawer with everything in it at home. Not at home today. I'm in my workshop because it's pouring rain and I don't have an indoor space at home to be servicing stuff. But the thing I realized was I have a 75 pound with a battery, 60 pound bike without the battery, and the only bike stand I have is this guy right here, which is great, but it is definitely not the solution you need for Super 73. It honestly, it barely holds up my tandems when I service my tandems. It's strong. It works great and folds up so that I can get it down and put it in the garage and not have to worry about it. But let's give him a face again. But it's not holding a 75 pound bicycle. So what did I do? I came up with this guy right here. So this is a piece. I had this table that I kind of made out of some scrap from projects at the house. Rebuilt the garage this last summer. Built this little scrap piece of table that I could use as a standing table for working on projects. A little small, make it portable. That locks on these DeWalt sawhorses of sorts. Well, what I did was I took two 4-foot galvanized pipes, put caps on the end, drilled 1 3/8 inch holes through, and I say 1 3/8 inch holes like it's specialty, but these are 3/4 inch pipes, and 3 1/8 inch was the exact hole saw needed to fit over to drill the hole that's needed to pass the pipe through. So put caps on it, pass the pipes through, only put caps on the one side, pushed them through, wrapped the 2 feet that come out the other side with foam. I had this specialty ESD foam because we have a computer repair shop. That's what we are, and we buy it by the 1,000-foot spool of sorts. So we had some scrap. I wrapped it around this and just gaffed it in there. And then as a counterweight, we were pouring a new walkway in the backyard and needed concrete anyway. So $3 bags of 60-pound concrete, and I have got myself a very sturdy, very stable, very soft, and very gentle, and not going anywhere Super 73 bike stand. So next step is to start disassembling it and putting on my 10-speed cassette. I'll make a video of that, but for now, if anybody is wondering, how am I going to do all these service things? How am I going to get this up? What am I going to do it on? Am I going to try to flip it upside down and do it, which is not the way to be servicing bottom bracket or anything like that. This didn't cost me much. I think we had one scrap pipe. I got another one and 3 bags of concrete and some scrap lumber. So not particularly challenging, but maybe a solution that will work for you. See you later.
About 13, 12 to 13. All right, so 12 to 13 inches apart. That's 40. So that's half. And so I'm going to do 13 inches apart. 6. All right. I want to try center these. supposed to move it over here. It should be bigger than my pipe. Just barely. I think it's set down and smaller. Yep. All right. Well, I got a chunk of it, but weird. All about threading the needle.
Oh, well, that's pretty darn perfect. All right. Well, that's exactly what I needed. Those are those moments where it's like, good idea comes to life and it actually works, so I'm quite pleased with this. I'm sure you can tell from the video how shocked I was by how well this stand actually ends up working. It's the next day, so I'm actually already done my 10-speed kit switch out, and it was invaluable. And the best part about this is, not only is it super strong and stable, I can take it apart, shove it in a corner of my garage, and the next time I need it, I can put it all back together again and repair or mod whatever I need to do. Without it being a permanent structure in my home or garage. So I hope this was something that you all can use. I'm not sure if it's helpful, but even if you're not doing a 10-speed kit, but you want to switch out tires or do some mods or need a stable place to set your bike while you do some work, this is a really great solution. It worked out well for me. I hope it works out as well for you.